In ancient time, judgment was made for animals' offense, and those animals were also produced in the court of law for their judgment. And even some animals were sentenced to death for their offense. Yes, this is the true fact. Throughout the Middle Ages in Europe, animals were judged or arraigned in the court of law for doing human crimes. In the ancient times, if animals made any offensive act, then those animals were produced in the court of law for their judgment. Here, arraigned means accused in the court of law. The charge of the animals were measured according to the range of the offense, and those offenses could be ranged from murder to obscenity. Here, obscenity means relating to be offensive or rude. In that time, pigs, dogs, cows, rats, and even flies and caterpillars were also arraigned in the court of law with full ceremony. In that time, it is heard that both the parties, this means the animals with their concerned people and the other party, they were to be produced in the court of law, and lawyer was also appointed in the court for the judgment. Lawyer was also appointed in the court of law to defend the animal and to protect the animal against which the accusation was brought. In this image, we can see in a court of law, an animal has been produced and judgment is going on. In the book of Edwin Pyson, even it is mentioned, it is told that once a pig was produced in the court of law under the criminal prosecution and capital punishment of animals, and this was in the 2066. This pig was accused of eating a human being, and this was a big offense. It is said in the book that after judgment, this was proved that the pig was found guilty, and after that, a group of monks of Saint Genevieve sentenced this pig to death by burning. As the offense of the pig was very big, so that pig was sentenced to death by burning. Public burned that pig, and this was the punishment of that pig. Image, we can see that the pig is sentenced to death by public burning. And even it was an animal, there is no mercy for that innocent animal. So today's fact was really thrilling that even an animal can be judged in the court of law and it can be sentenced to death brutally by public, and this can be done also after judgment. So this was today's video. Thank you all, and we are meeting in the next video.